Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to prepare an oil painting for shipment. Preparing an oil painting for shipment requires careful handling to ensure it arrives safely and in good condition. Ensure that the oil painting has thoroughly dried before shipping. This can take several weeks to months, depending on the thickness of the paint layers. For this tutorial, you'll need masking tape, craft tape, scissor, glassine paper, bubble wrap, hard tube or roll, jute rope, and fragile stickers. We'll go over how to prepare a framed painting for shipment, and then how to prepare an unframed painting for shipment. Method 1. This will go over preparing a framed painting for shipping. Firstly, inspect the painting surface to ensure it is free from any dirt or smudges. Place a sheet of glassine paper or acid-free tissue paper over the painted surface. Use masking tape to gently secure the edges of the glassine paper to the back of the painting surface. Glassine paper is used to protect the painting from direct contact with packing materials. For bubble wrapping, ensure that the smooth side of the bubble wrap is in direct contact with the painting surface. Cover with multiple wrapping layers to ensure proper cushioning and protection against impact and pressure during shipping. The corners are more prone to damage, so make sure to use additional padding or corner protectors. You can also buy ready-made corner protectors from the store. Cut a piece of craft paper larger than the bubble wrapping and carefully cover the painting. Use tape to secure the edges of the craft paper. You can add a decorative touch by tying the packed painting with jute rope and making a bow. I'll show you how. Carefully wrap the jute rope around the wrapped package, ensuring it is snug but not too tight to avoid damaging the artwork. Double knot the bow if necessary to prevent it from coming undone during transit. If there is excess rope hanging after tying the bow, you can trim it with scissors for a neater finish. Place the wrapped painting inside a sturdy cardboard box or wooden crate that is slightly larger than the painting. Fill any gaps or empty spaces within the box or crate with packing peanuts or bubble wrap. Add pieces of cardboard for extra protection. Close the box or crate securely and seal it with strong packing tape. Clearly label the package with "fragile" and "handle with care" stickers to alert handlers. Method 2. This will go over preparing an unframed painting for shipping. Unframed paintings are typically packed in a roll instead of box packaging. Start by carefully placing a sheet of glassine paper over the surface of the oil painting. Gently roll the painting tightly around a sturdy hard roll or cylinder. Secure the edges with masking tape and fold any loose glassine paper inside the roll. Use only enough masking tape that the painting is secure, but not too much that removing it can damage the piece. Wrap the entire rolled painting and hard roll with several layers of bubble wrap. Seal the bubble wrapping with packing tape. You can now put this packed roll inside the cylindrical tubes specially designed for rolled shipping. These methods are how I personally prepare oil paintings for shipping. By following these steps, you can properly pack an oil painting to ensure it's safe shipping without damage. I also hope that you've gained some useful knowledge in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.